Honorable Diden, in a recent chat with journalists, maintained that the proposed coronation of Prince Tsola Emiko as the next Olu of Warri be reversed to prevent an untold calamity in Warri Kingdom. According to the prominent Ejele'S leader, it was illegal to bypass the succession edict of the Ginuwa ruling house in the coronation of an Olu of Warri. Angered by Honorable Diden's statement, Itsekiris staged a peaceful protest in Warri, where they insisted that there was no going back on the coronation of Prince Tsola Emiko as the next Olu of Warri.
I am saying is impossible, in quotes. You see most of them talking about the edit. Look at their lifestyle. Did they have regard for the law? They have been oppressor all the days of their life. They are only looking for a king that they will control. A king that they will push his head. And we are saying no. The populists are saying no.
There is no going back. The day that has been fixed for the crowning of the king is that day, 21st of August. That is our expectation day. And that day must be crowned. So we say no going back. Anything that anybody is saying is for them. But what we are saying as women are mother in the kingdom, we say Tsola must be crowned.
The protesters insisted that the Olu designate was a divine choice of Warri Kingdom as revealed in the Ifa oracle, as well as the will of the generality of Itsekiris people. They vow therefore to resist opponents of the planned coronation of Prince Tsola Emiko.
Whatever thing they are doing, they think they are prepared. They are just joking. We have all what it takes to muzzle them. Financially, we are ready.
Very well.
Politically, we are ready. Influentially, we are ready. Spiritually, we are ready.
Yes. The crown must be brought back. This kingdom is over 500 years old. The crown is over 410 years old. Anybody that has taken the crown must certainly bring it back. If not, what they have done is an anathema, an abomination, which no human being has to fight for. The God fight for it himself. They will certainly bring it back. Nobody has control over the crown. It is ordained by God. And the prince designate is Prince Tsola Emiko. Nobody can change the date.
21st August 2021 has been chosen as a date for coronation of Prince Tsola Emiko as the 21st Olu of Warri Kingdom.
Inside the Niger Delta,